Okay? Are you ready?
No.
Bakit no? Why not? Okay. Rational function. What grade you to na-encounter? Grade 8? Pa din na. Grade 8, hindi nyo maalala kasi modular, online. What is the root word of rational? Ratio. And when we have ratio, ano synonyms ng ratio? When we have ratio? Ano ba yung ratio? Give me an example of ratio. 1:1. 2:3. Tama? And this can be written, pwede siyang isulat as 2/3. Tama? So, ang ratio, tinatawag din natin siyang fractional form or fraction. Fraction form. Okay. Tandaan nyo na. Now, anong bawal sa fraction? Jared, anong bawal sa fraction? May bawal ba kay fraction? Yes, De Castro. Okay. Bawal maging zero si denominator. Very good. Bakit ba bawal maging zero si denominator? Hindi na siya fraction? For example, 2/0? Ano na magiging tawag na sa kanya? Ano tawag na sa kanya? Cannot be. Tama. Hindi mo pwedeng i-divide si 2 sa wala, sa 0. Anong tawag?
Error.
Hindi siya improper? For example, if you have one apple, sana may apple tayo dito. Sinabihan ka ng friend mo, i-divide mo nga yung apple na yan into 0. Friend, parang dapat nasa Mandaluyong ka. How can I divide? How can I divide this apple into 0? So, hindi mo ma-define, right? Ito yung tawag natin undefined. Oh, na-encounter nyo sa undefined. Na-encounter nyo ba? Okay. So, sa function naman, a rational function, let's say f of x, is a function of the form function of x is equal to g of x over h of x, wherein h of x is not equal to 0. Bawal maging 0 si denominator. Kasi magiging undefined. Hey! Where g of x and h of x are polynomials. Or what are the different types of polynomials? Paano pag single? Monomial. Pag two terms? Binomial. Pag three terms? Binomial. Okay? So, ayun. Now, let us find first the domain of the rational function. Pag sinabi nating domain, ano ba si domain? O, na-discuss natin introduction. X lang ba? Domain are the values or the possible values for x. Tama naman, x. Or tinatawag nating abscissa. Abscissa kapag nakagraph na tayo. So, domain, ano daw yung domain ng mga given function na ito? So, to find the domain, let us find first the restriction or the restricted values. Yung mga bawal dito sa mga functions. Let's say dito sa f of x is equal to 1 over x squared minus 4. May bawal ba tayo dito? May bawal ba na value ng x? Sabi nyo kanina find the domain. Sabi nyo x. Siyempre, kukunin natin ngayon yung value ni x. May bawal ba ngayon kapag sinubstitute natin dito si x? Positive 2. Okay, mga sumasagot ng positive 2. How about negative 2? Din. Bawal din siya. O, sir, paano nagawa yun? So, solve natin. Yung x squared minus 4, equate lang natin sa 0. Okay? Bakit, sir, 0? Kasi yung hinahanap natin, dapat hindi siya magiging equal kay 0. Now, yung makukuha nating value dito, siya yung magbibigay ng value sa denominator na 0. So, sila yung bawal ngayon. Okay, dito, extracting the square root pwede, right? So, kasi perfect and perfect number. So, x squared is equal to 4. Now, get the square root. X now is equal to positive, negative 2. Okay? Yan yung value ng x ngayon na magiging 0 si denominator. Gets? Yeah. Sir, nakalimutan ko na mag-extracting the square root. Another way is by factoring. O, factor natin yan. Yung dalawang parentheses. Now, ito, factors niya x and x. Since this is negative, isang plus, isang minus. Factors of 4, perfect siya. So, 2n. Now, equate to 0. Yan yung ginawa natin. So, x is equal to negative 2, while the other one, x is equal to positive 2. Positive and negative 2. Yan yung bawal. Try nga natin i-substitute. 2 square, 4. Minus 4, 0. Magiging 0 siya. And bawal yun. Negative 2 square, 4. Minus 4, 0. So, we can write the domain of this function as x such that x is not equal to, ano daw yung bawal? Positive 2 and negative 2. That's the domain. It can also be written as domain x such that x is an element of real numbers such that x is not equal to positive, negative 2. Pwede din po yan sulat. Or kaya, yung words mismo, x such that x is not equal to positive and negative 2. Yung pure word ang sulat natin. Gets niyo yun? Hey. Okay, number 1. How about number 2? Function x is equal to x over 1 minus x squared. So, similar sila ni number 1. Oh, may sagot na kagad. So, solve muna natin by extracting the square root na lang ulit. So, 1 minus x squared is equal to 0. Sir, why extracting the square root? Kasi perfect square yung first term and perfect square din yung second term. Now we have 1 is equal to positive x squared. Right? Now extract the square root. What is the values? 1. Or what are the values? Positive, negative? 1 is equal to x. So the domain now is ano? X such that x is not equal to positive, negative. Or kapag ayaw nyo ng ganyang form, pwede din namang x, sulat nyo ng buo, such that x is not equal to plus minus 1. Pwede din naman yan. Pag ayaw natin ng shortcut. Kuha? How about number 3? Very easy. Anong bawal sa number 3?
Negative.
Equate natin. X minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is 1. Is it positive, negative, or simply 1? 1 lang. Tama? Kasi, pag sinubstitute na natin, 1 minus 1, 0. How about si negative 1? Magiging negative 2 yung denominator, which is pwede. Kasi wala tayong restricted. So, the domain is x such that x is not equal to ano ba? Positive. Okay. Number 4. So this is trinomial. So factor out natin. X squared plus x minus 12 is equal to 0. Hanapin natin yung restricted values muna. Trinomial na siya. So, factor out na tayo. Okay. Factor ng numerator, x times x. Diba? Factors ng negative 12, dapat ang sum nila ay positive 1 or 1x. So ano? Padami kasing factors si 12 eh. 12 times 1, 6 times 2, 4 times 3. Ano kukunin natin dyan?
12 and 1. 4 and 3. 12 times 1.
At 12 times 1, 12 minus 1, 11. Ang layo ng 11 dito. Siyempre, itong malapit na tayo. 4 and 2. Kasi, 4 minus 3, 1. Siya yung nasa middle term dapat. So, alin ang plus? Si 4 or si 3? Si 4. Bakit? Kasi positive. Okay. Foil natin or check natin. 4 times negative 3, yun dapat yung lalabas, si negative 12, the constant. Next, para to verify the middle term, add or subtract. 4 minus 3, 1. So, ito ngayon yung ating perfect factors. Now, x is equal to negative 4, at yung isa, x is equal to positive 3. Now, the domain, x such that x is not equal to negative 4 and positive 3. Pwede natin i-check. Sige nga sir, check nga natin. Checking tayo. Checking. Copy the numerator. Hindi naman natin pinapakialaman yan. Copyhin lang natin. Tapos, substitute natin sa negative 4 yung denominator. Negative 4 square minus 4 minus 12. Huwag nang pakialaman yung numerator. Negative 4 square, 16 minus 4 minus 12. 16 minus 4. Minus 12. 0. O, magiging 0 siya. So, bawal talaga si negative 4. How about si 3? So, magiging 3 square minus 4 minus 3 minus 3 square minus 3 minus 12. Para may mali. Plus to, oh. So, dapat plus 2. 3 square. Diba? 9 plus 3. 12 minus 12. Yun. So, dapat, check ninyo, kapag mali ka ng sign, kabahan ka na. Ibig sabihin, ala, ba't di siya nag-0? There's something wrong in the process. Can you do number 5? O, mental. Anong bawal? Perfect? Perfect? So, napakabilis. Positive and negative 3. So, the domain is x such that x is not equal to positive, negative 3. Paano nakuha? X squared minus 9 is equal to 0. 9. X is equal to, extract the square root, positive, negative 3. Oh. So, that is the process on how to find the domain and range of rational function. This time, copy, then prepare for a sit work.